Welcome to Zeus 7 channel. In this video, I am going to perform a stress test on Lenovo Legion 5i using the Intel HTU software. Download link for the software will be given in the description. So let's begin. So after downloading the software, you just need to install it. After the installation, a restart would be necessary. So I have already done that, and now I'm going to open the software. So here you can see this is i5 10 Gen 4 cores 8 thread CPU along with 8 GB of RAM. For people having this same laptop Lenovo Legion 5i, if you want to upgrade your RAM to 16 GB, you need to buy 3200 MHz. Even though here it is displayed 2933 MHz, it's because the CPU 10 Gen only support this frequency. So if you want to run this laptop at dual channel memory, you need to buy 3200 MHz channel and install it. Here the inbuilt RAM is made from Kingston, and along with that you have the graphic card of GTX 1650 Ti. So this is the CPU utilization, memory utilization, package temperature is the CPU temperature, and the max frequency of this laptop is 4.5 gigahertz while running individual clock core, and while running all core the maximum frequency will be 4.2 gigahertz. The package TDP of this CPU is 45 watt power, and for graphic card 1650 Ti is 50 watt. So on in total this laptop would at least require 50 plus 45 means 95 watt of power supply to run it at 100% efficiency. So the two things we have to keep in mind is the thermal throttling and power limit throttling. So thermal throttling means if your CPU is running at a max frequency and the temperature is reaching above the maximum temperature limit, for laptop it's around uh, 94 degrees Celsius, and if your laptop CPU temperature goes above it, thermal throttling will happen. uh, and your power limit throttling means when the CPU and GPU are both utilized at 100% efficiency. So as I told, it would need at least 95 watt of power supply, and if your laptop's battery is not sufficient enough to supply it, most of the time we usually play these games on uh, laptop while charging it. So even though while charging the laptop and using it for 100% CPU and GPU both, uh, the output is not equivalent or more than the power required, at that time power limit throttling will happen. So if the laptop requires at least 100 watt and the delivery is less than 100 watt power, the power throttling will happen. So with Lenovo Legion 5 we get 170 watt power brick for charging, so it's quite enough. But my friend has Acer Nitro 5, this with the same configuration i5 10 Gen and 1650 Ti 8 GB RAM. He has received a 130 watt power supply, and I have noticed while running test on his laptop power limit throttling. And here it is the stress test. From here we can begin stress test. So I'm going to keep the length of the stress test at uh, 3 minutes, and I'm going to only run the CPU stress. So let's start. So as you can see, the utilization of CPU has been reached 100%, and the package temperature is also increasing. Here you can see the maximum core frequency, and here is the TDP. The package TDP is 45 limit watt, but it can sometimes go up to 45. And these are the two factors, thermal throttling and power limit throttling, on which we have to uh, consider that it's not happening. Right now we can see the temperature has gone above 75 degrees Celsius, 78 degrees Celsius. And I would like to add one more thing, that currently the room temperature in which the laptop is operated is 23 degrees Celsius. So expect to go the temperature above more than this if your room temperature is more, especially during summer. So maximum I have seen it around 78 degrees Celsius. So I have noticed one thing, that the thermal system in this Lenovo Legion 5i is quite good. So here it's again the peak temperature was 80 degree. So the maximum temperature was around 80 degrees Celsius, and it has not crossed the mark of 80 degree. And one more thing I am adding, that currently the laptop is at charging mode. So that's why it's consuming more TDP, the CPU. Uh, Okay, so here our stress test has over, and we have seen that it has, the CPU stress test has passed, and the temperature was has reached maximum up to 80 degree, and there was no such thing as thermal throttling or power limit throttling in Lenovo Legion 5i. So thank you for watching this video. Like to this video will be a good, and subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos regarding this laptop. Thank you.